It's a Monday and I've just come back from my driving lesson. I'm absolutely freezing and I'm shattered. I am so tired. I need to meal prep today. I am actually pretty gutted because yesterday I wanted to film going to the gym and film going to Tesco and getting meal prep and everything, and I just didn't. I think it's time to just meal prep now, don't you think? Yeah, like I said, I went to the gym yesterday. I haven't been in a while either, so I'm dying. Yeah, if you've been watching some of my other videos, you'll know I've been doing mostly home workouts because the gym just seems like so much effort to me, especially getting a bus there as well. But good news, when I went to Tesco, they had matcha powder. Right, I'm going to get straight to meal prepping now. For this meal prep, I only actually have one meal. I didn't want to overcomplicate it, and I know that I like this meal. I'm going to do a chicken Caesar salad for every single day. I'm going to fill all of those. It's a very simple recipe and I think that's why I love it so much. So for the chicken Caesar salad, I'm using chicken breast, iceberg lettuce, sweet corn, cucumber, and then to season my chicken, parsley, Cajun seasoning, salt and pepper, and garlic powder. So I'm keeping the seasoning pretty simple for this one to not overwhelm like the flavours, and then mushrooms to go with the chicken. I tell you what, the mushrooms changed everything for me. So if you can't find any, like you feel like there's something off with your chicken Caesar salads and you're like, it's a bit plain, mushrooms, well, it works for me anyway. First, I'm just going to put all the seasoning on all of my chicken. That is all done now. As you saw with the fruit, I didn't do as much as last time. I made it so much and it went off and it went like mouldy, and I was like, well, I can't eat that, can I? So I've done less fruit this time, so I will eat it all now. I saw this on TikTok. I couldn't give you credit to who in particular, but they did lemon and mint in just water, and apparently it's a good detox for your body and stuff, so I'm gonna give this a go. I've let it like sitting there for a while, so that's quite nice actually. I'm gonna try and aim to have one of these a day or every 2 days, and then finish a whole one of these. This is 2.2 litres. I always go through phases like this where I do this and I never keep it up, but I need to force myself to keep it up now because it's what's best for me. I really need to drink more water. Right, it's leading up to my holiday at the end of this month now, so I'm going to be doing like a mini workout or a proper workout every single day until then. Just a quick disclaimer, you don't have to do this for any event, any holiday, weddings, whatever. You are okay how you are, and I feel like I'm okay how I am. But as I'm going to be in bikinis every single day, not because I'm insecure about my body, because I like my body, but I want to be a little bit more toned and feel good about myself, because if I feel good about myself, then I'm going to feel confident on holiday and I'm going to enjoy my holiday more. That's the only reason I'm doing it, and that's just what I want to do. Yeah, I think I'm going to focus on my tummy area today. I watch a lot of Fit by Mick YouTube videos. She's brilliant and I think she suits me very well in her style of working out and doing the workouts and stuff. So yeah, I think I'm going to pull up one of her videos right now and follow that, and yeah. Right, let's go. Done a few. It's still something, little by little every day. It's shower time. Actually, I think I'm gonna have a bath. This is a bit excessive. I got a bit excited with my drinks, but I'm very excited for this breakfast. So we have my lemon and mint water that I'm trying to drink more, matchas in this one. I'm going to finish all of this today. It's not 7 a.m, it's actually like 10, but oh well. Then I just have mixed fruit and some mango and apple yogurt from Onken. This isn't related to this video at all, but I've got to show you what I got from Tider. My next video after this one goes up is my holiday try on haul with all the clothes I've got from holiday. But I've just ordered some more and so obviously they won't be in that video, so I want to show you what I got. First of all, this little top. This looks cute already. I hope it fits. So this top just looks like this. I love the little stringy straps. How cute. This is going to be so comfortable. And to go with that top, they aren't a matching set. I think the colour's a bit different. Yeah, the top's a bit greener, like darker green than these. But to go with that top, I also got these, which they look really big, but hopefully they fit okay. I think they might be a bit long, or they might be perfect, I don't know. But I love the little texture on these. And then I also got a little play suit. It looks like this. And then the back is like all open as well. I love an open back. So this is really cute. It needs decreasing though. And then I also got these bottoms as well, which seem massive already. I'm a bit scared. I know, I think these will be okay, but look at the pattern and the colours, and I just thought it looked really cute with this top as well. So cute. So I got this top for 2 outfits, but I'm so excited. I got everything in a medium. Such good quality. I'm so excited to try it on. You'll probably see me try these on in my get ready with me for holiday and packing for holiday video, which will be up on the 26th. It's at the end of this month and I'll be vlogging the whole thing, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Right, today I was going to go to the gym, but as usual, I don't even know why I bother because I always end up doing it at home anyway. I'm actually going to get dressed for this one and put an actual gym outfit on instead of staying in my pyjamas, so... But before I work out, I want to try this. What on earth? This is trending on TikTok at the moment. Chia seeds in water, and apparently it has a lot of benefits. Oh my god, yeah. I'm not too excited for this, I can't lie, but I've got to try it because apparently it gives you an internal shower, so you're going to go to the toilet like loads of times. It's just going to wash your whole insides out. I don't know. People have said it's worked for them, so let's see. It looks like a lot as well, but I did 2 teaspoons of it, and the daily dosage you can have is 2 tablespoons, so I'm sure I'm okay. Okay, it's not bad. It doesn't taste like anything, it just tastes like lemon with water. You can't taste it, but you can feel the texture of it, and it's kind of gross. Making me cringe. Apparently it's good for digestion and for hair growth, and yeah, it's good for like detox, so... Hold on. It wasn't too bad actually. I should have took the lemons out soon though, because they were like... Let's start off this workout by doing a full body at home Pilates workout. This video is from Move with Nicole, and it's a 20-minute full body workout, so hopefully it's alright. I'd never really tried Pilates before, but everyone's saying how good it is, and I'm just in the process of finding out what works for me and my body, so let's give this a go. Found my new favourite thing, honestly. It's such a good workout because it's like, it's really It really gets you sweating, but the movements are so slow, so you feel like you can continue doing it, but you can feel it working and burning. It's just, I'm actually going to do another one. So I did a 20-minute one and I'm going to do a 30-minute one from the same lady. The channel is Move with Nicole. So I'm going to do another full body one, and I think in the days to come I'm going to do like more focused areas. So I'll do a core one and a legs and bums one and an arms one. I'm so excited. I've never been so excited to work out. Okay, no, I'm knackered. It's hot in here. Why is my room always the hottest in the house? That was fun though. I can see myself doing that a lot. So, it's shower time.